Sun comes up shining on this stony little town. Yes, we are grounded by humbleness. If you take a look around, from the sun of the valleys to the ocean of the deep blue sea, oh, everything we want, everything we got, plus everything we need. Yeah. Jah will provide all the fruits, yes, from His tree. He's growing it for you, He's growing it for me, He's growing it for we. Yes. How long will it last till the end of a country's soul? I hope this place can keep on growing, growing, growing. That's right, that's where we roots of love is Kahalu. Oh Lord, where we roots of love is Kahalu. Well, I can remember on the Tuesdays and Thursdays, where people get together and come on out to celebrate. 'Cause always in the yard you can find us anytime, working with the carlo, diving in the ocean, big hunting just to kill some time. That's where we roots of love is Kahalu. All over where we roots of love is Kahalu. Oh Kana, oh Kana, oh Kana, oh Kana road. The truth must not be told. Oh Kana, oh Kana, oh Kana road. The truth must not be told. Who the hell don't you put that pump station in our yard? We're keeping it together just like birds of a feather. Now we're flying stormy weather, coming true somehow. Well, oh, that where we roots of love is Kahalu. All over where we roots of love is Kahalu. Play on that, play on that, play on that, play on So the next time you come out to this country just to see, yes, we'll have some plans for you. We'll have some plans for me. I know that Roscoe is holding down the yard almost every day. It's looking good, my brother, just like Earth is a mother. We can only trust each other, that's the only way. Well, oh, that where we roots of love is Kahalu. All over where we roots of love is Kahalu. Up on the east side, in Waimanalo. Up on the east side, down in Kailua. Up on the east side, in Kaneohe. Up on side in Waiahole, up on the east side, out in Kahana, up on the east side, down in Hauula, up on the east side, in Puna